Little Learners TV. Good morning, everyone. I'm Nida Shafkat. I will help you in learning English. The sound of letter M is hmm. Hmm. Close your lips and make a sound. Hmm. Hmm. Action of letter M. Rub your tummy with your hand and make a sound. Hmm. Hmm. Jolly phonics of letter M. Sing the jolly phonics with me. The mom and dad make many meals. The mom and dad make many meals for the hungry children. Now we are going to learn some words that start with letter M. Mango, mouse, monkey, man, mirror, mat. For more videos, like and subscribe Little Learners TV.